start again with the question. The following table show the result of a thrown die many times. So we have the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that means there were 6 then. And let's go find out the total number of times the dice is thrown. So to find it out, or to calculate out here, for the experiment of probability, we need to get the total frequency. So to get the total frequency, we're going to add them. Okay, so to add them, first we have to get down here. So that's going to be plus 12 plus 15 plus 9 plus 2 plus 17 plus 5 then. Okay, so we have those numbers down here. And given out here, we're going to get out a total for that one is about 60 times 10. Okay, so that's the answer for this here. Now, the second question states that if a dice is thrown, one, estimate the probability that the one is obtained. Now, to get this one here, let's try to use out the probability of getting the I. So to get that here, if you're going to remember out the probability of estimate or the estimated probability, we're going to use out the equation here for the B. So trying to remember out here, how many ones do we have then? So there are about 12. So let's start with the B then. So the B is probability of getting a 1. Now, since there's only about 12 of it, so 12 out of 60. Okay, now to simplify this one further into its lowest term, we have, since it's 12, we can find it out then. And also for 60, that's going to give us an equal about, simplifying it out here, that is equals to 1 out of 5. Okay, so why 1 of 5? Because we divide both sides by 12 over 12. Okay, so that is equals to 1 of 5. Or to get out for the percentage for that one, that's going to get us about 20% then. Okay, so the answers are 20% or 1 over 5 10. Okay,